Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Sibongile and the Dlaminis season 2 episode 2. Now guys, uKwenzo noNomalanga, they invited the whole family and a few friends on a boat cruise to celebrate basically their marriage. They were out and about. Now on episode 2, you guys, it happened ukuthi uSis Nomfundo, the head of Abo Auntie, is missing, guys. And listen, Unjengayo, he is panicking, uyahlanya, guys, because isithanda sakhe siini sidugile, guys. Yo, we don't know manje. Remember, guys, baseskhephen, they in a boat in, I don't know whether I want to say in the middle of the beach or in the middle of the ocean or what. So uNomfundo udugile, guys. No one knows ukuthi did she fall in the water or what happened with her. And the only small boat that left is the one that beyiphelezela uPhethani and uVusi. Besides that, now they're starting to suspect ukuthi maybe she fell in the water or something like that, but no one knows what happened to her. Manje, guys, they sent out people, the rescue team, to go and look for uNomfundo. They can't find uNomfundo. Manje, everyone is tired. The Dlamini family is tired. Abo Noma bakhathele, abo wewe bakhathele, and they just telling Unjengayo ukuthi ebo phela it's been hours sesifunana nosis Nomfundo simthole besicela ukuhamba, we tired. Ahlanye ko Unjengayo athi nikhathele mina thathani imali niyothenga ama-energy drink. If nikhathele that way, go and buy yourselves energy drinks, because we need to look for uNomfundo. Guys, he's panicking. You can see ukuthi hayibo Njengayo, he is panicking more than everyone else, and now he's giving it off ukuthi hayibo khona something. But you know what, guys, I must say, ne, the way everyone else was relaxed, I also do feel like it was kind of insensitive, because I mean, uNomfundo is as good as she's part of the family. So I expected everyone to panic. Maybe not like Unjengayo, but at least they must be, worried. I felt like some of them were being a bit insensitive towards the whole thing. And then fine, guys, they eventually get back home. They eventually get back to the Dlamini home. And Unjengayo, he's speaking to police, telling police that, they must continue looking for uNomfundo. And then uPhethani, basically, she asks Unjengayo, Unjengayo, don't you feel like you're being hard on the police? The police are, they're trying their best, but when you basically being hard on everyone. Then Unjengayo amkhumbuza athi, wemfazi, do you remember usakhulelu wewe? Who is the woman who was there for you? Unamastitch, who is the woman who was taking care of you and your children while me and you were out on vacation? Was it not the very same Nomfundo that we are looking for today? Eke uPhethani athule, because what more can she say? Because that is true. And then Unjengayo ashoke ukuthi he doesn't know what will be of him if uSis Nomfundo is not found. Ebo uPhethani ambheke athi awazi ukuthi kuzobani yini ngawe if uNomfundo is not found. Like, what do you mean? Like, she's starting to catch on ukuthi hayibo Njengayo, like, why are you being so, like, why are you overreacting more than any of us here? And then ke Unjengayo akhuze athi ke hayibo, you know what I mean? I don't know what's gonna be of us as a family if we don't find her. Nje ukuthi ngisho ukuthini. Ke then we see another scene. uNomalanga again, loKwenzo are laying in bed. uNomalanga avuke and notices that uKwenzo is not sleeping. Then she tries to touch her man. Athi uKwenzo, don't touch me, please don't touch me. uKwenzo, he is stressed over uNomfundo. So I guess he finally, because he was one of the people who didn't seem like that concerned. But I guess the next day, oversleeping over it, he could not sleep thinking about uSis Nomfundo and how much she has, practically being part of his life, like since he was born or since he was a young child. So he tells ke uNomalanga ukuthi he's stressed about uSis Nomfundo, and that's why he couldn't sleep. Ay ke uNomalanga athi why mele impilo yami? Yebo, why mele impilo yami ime because of someone who was careless? Imagine. uNomalanga is basically saying uNomfundo whatever happened to her ukuthi careless. Ay uNomalanga niyamazi-ke ukuthi uNomalanga is selfish. She only thinks of herself, the way she thinks. And then Kwenzo gets mad and he's like, yo, wena Nomalanga, you selfish. Like, how can you even say that? Like, when you're listening to yourself, ukhuluma lokho, like, does that sound fine to you? And then uNomalanga athi yebo, if ufile like uzowenzani ke Kwenzo, because if ufile there's nothing much you can do. Like, do you have ama superpowers when ukuthi umbuyise? Yebo Nomalanga. But I know Malanga Shane, the way she's so insensitive, maybe this is one of the reasons that made Ukwenzo even doubt being with her. But once upon a time, Ukwenzo was like her. He only changed the moment he met Usbosh. So that was that. Get Ukwenzo Klenem. He was angry. uNomalanga was also angry because she feels like, listen, I was supposed to be enjoying my honeymoon. I missed out on flight. Ngenxa yomuntu okhelesi. Then, guys, Vusi decides to go and see his father and address and speak to his father and tell him, Lalela Ndota, please get yourself together, because now it's starting to notice ukuthi wena, you are the reason why you are overreacting is because you have just lost your lover. So Vusi tells his father, listen, please get your act together, because listen, everyone is gonna finally catch on with you wena and wena noNomfundo, there's something that's going on. Amtshela uba wakho ukuthi umhile wanele, umhile uNomfundo wanele, manje it's time for aboshaka ukuthi bamuhle. Bo Vusi, khuzeka Vusi. Vusi is basically telling his father ukuthi at this point sesizokhiphela umatrasi because I mean when are you mourning your lover? Bo. And then uNjengayega ambambe ngamawashing chokes him, guys, and says, listen, I'm the one who brought you to this earth. I can easily take you out of this earth. Don't you ever speak to me like that. I'm lahlelele phansi. But uVusi is scared now. Mangela ukuthi he didn't expect ukuthi ubaba wakhe uzomenza kanje. Kodwa-ke uVusi yaphapha naye. Hey, uPhethani, not uPhethani, uNjengaye, guys, he is looking like a mess. He's looking like a mess. He doesn't know what to do because uNomfundo is missing. I have a feeling that uNomfundo is uNjengaye's true love. The way he's acting, guys, like he can't contain himself. He doesn't know what to do. Nomfundo might be uNjengaye's true love, and uPhethani might just have been that woman who fit the criteria of being next to him, because I mean they are both bayabukeka, they look good together. Like it makes sense for them to be together because I mean they are both driven in their careers. But for Unjengaye's heart, it looks like his heart is with uNomfundo, and it looks like uNomfundo is his forever yena angazika. So that's how the episode ends with them. Lastly, Usbongile is panicking because remember she ran out of the meeting after she saw Abo Dlamini by the Gen X meeting, no Jabu. She ran out of that meeting. Now she's packing her clothes, she's crying, she's thinking of going home, but her roommate Uzama at the university convinces her ukuthi hayibo wena, you can't let people walk over you like that. Like, fight for your future, fight for what's yours. She goes to Gen X in hopes ukuthi uzochazela uJabu ukuthi what really happened and apologize. What uJabu's not hearing it is like, listen, don't even sit down, just leave my office. You will get my secretary to call you and she will tell you if you still have a job and if the bursary is still yours. So yes, Bosch puts herself underneath a very compromising situation. Now here she is waiting to hear ukuthi will Jabu give her an opportunity to come back and prove herself or not. Anyway, guys, that is the recap of episode 2, season 2. Hey guys, siyazama to accept Sibongile, the new Sibongile. I just wish she showed a bit more emotion, man. She must, hey, I'm not connecting with her yet, but we'll see as time goes. Anyway, guys, please do make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about this. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.